Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. Today we're bringing you a new kit. 2 new kits. Boom, boom.
Yes.
It's the Celina Rydén Signature Series Art Kit.
Say that 10 times fast.
Now, I had to practice over and over on this.
Signature Series.
Celina Rydén Signature Series
Kit.
Art set kit. We did it right the first time, and we had to go back and do it.
Yeah.
This is cool. This, for all you people out there that haven't been able to attend one of our classes or something, now we have this at home for you.
We have Selena in a bottle.
Yeah, if you rub it real hard. Do y'all remember I Dream a Genie? And wouldn't that be cool? I used to dream about that, having those wishes. What would you wish for? Selena Rydén?
Yeah, Selena Rydén in a kit.
Yeah. So, if you purchase a Selena Rydén art brush or an art kit set, you get not only everything, you get a video that comes with this. So you get a code that you plug in.
A top secret code.
Yeah, this is all top secret. So you get a top secret code, and the day you plug that code in, you have 30 days to watch that video, and then it goes away.
Gone. It's like it never existed.
So
you have a month to watch the video to learn Selena's exclusive techniques. And inside the kit is everything you need to do the demo that she's showing you in the video. So, wow, that's a party.
And these videos are about 30 minutes long. I think one's 28 and a half minutes long and the other's 29 minutes long. And she goes from start to finish and sculpting the nail and how she does the artwork and everything that she does and explains it all. It's amazing. It's a great opportunity because like Lexi said, this is exclusive. You can go on her YouTube channel.
Yeah, we've never seen this yet.
You can't see this.
She doesn't teach this in her, she hasn't taught these in her classes yet. So this is completely exclusive designs. And I know that, getting airfare and trying to see her in person is tough sometimes. So it's such a great option to be able to get her video. It's like she's there teaching it.
Exactly. Nothing replaces going and seeing someone in person, but this is really, really, really nice. So now we have 2 different ones. This is the Smoky Quartz.
And this is the edgy burlesque.
Ooh, and it's sexy edgy. Now we're going to do a little tiny unveiling. So I'm just going to take this cute little thing and snip it off.
Snip it off.
Reminds me of back in the days when I had dolls when I was little and I used to give them haircuts. And then when my dolls were all balls, I went and got my sister's doll.
Oh, you're evil.
I know I was. And I'd put it back on their shelf and go, oh, what happened?
Oh, that's bad.
No, it is. Sorry, Kristen and Katie. Anyway, this is the unveiling of the Smoky Quartz.
Pass the scissors, I'll do mine.
Okay, well, let's do one at a time.
Oh, one at a time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! So, like we said, everything that you need. So inside this cute little container that you can use as a brush holder or something, here is your buttercream that she uses, and here is a black paint that she uses. You even get the prepping files.
2 files and 2 foamies.
And your finish work files. You're going to be forming, so you get forms. Of course, you're going to cleanse your nail, and you're going to use the cleansing wipes. And here's your brushes.
Oh, wow.
Here's a polish brush, which is a number 6. And then here's your number 4 oval that she uses. And here is a swirly that she'll be using.
That's awesome.
Isn't it? And here's the Extreme, Lexi Line Extreme Gel. Oh, and way in the bottom.
Oh, you didn't mention this one. 1 step 2.
Here's your Super Shiny. And of course, everybody needs the Light Elegance cuticle oil.
Oh, and here is your exclusive. I can't show you what the code is, but this is your exclusive. Jimmy will blur it out.
Yeah, just do this. So yeah.
So that's the information you do to get the video that you get for a month. And everything you need.
So remember, a very, very low price you get all this for. Not only the instructions and watching that, I was going to say tape, watching that video, but you have the product that goes with it. It doesn't come with a lamp, obviously. But anyway, it's really exciting. And this Smoky Quartz is so cool because she forms this out and it has that crystal-like looks and all that look that makes the crystals.
It looks like it's cracked glass. We'll throw up a picture.
It is. So it's kind of see-through and uses the black paint as you can kind of see through it.
Like we've said earlier, it's never been shown before, so this is totally an exclusive
and you can
look.
Do that. She shows it's kind of like how you do the icicles and then kind of the beginning how you go into the unicorn. So it's an amazing. Not only do you get the product, but you get Selena with you in your own home, guiding through each step. So that's the Smoky Quartz. Now Lexi's going to show.
I'm going to do the edgy burlesque. So this is another kit you can
edgy
get.
and sexy, right?
Karma's coming to you with that.
I know,
that doll story.
I'm going to wake up in the.
That's hilarious.
Wow, I bet I'm not the only one that's done
Oops, I
that.
just ripped that. That's fine. This is fun. It's like Christmas.
It is.
I know. This is such a cute holder too.
Then you can. I think it's a great brush holder. So when you get done, you can take your brushes and your art tools and put it
It's
in.
perfect. All right, so this is the edgy burlesque.
Ooh.
You get the these are all stuck together. You get the sweet cream buttercream,
First thing I saw was
primary black paint, and perfect white.
Ooh, pretty colors.
You also get same thing, 2 files, 2 foamies. You get 3 different. Oh wow, these are 3 Selena brushes. So you get the swirly, the stripy, and the number 2 stylus.
Oh, completely different. So if you do both kits, you
get different
stuff.
Forms and wipes, which you need. You do get your 1-step, your ice pigment, because the burlesque it's sassy, you know. It's got a kick to it.
It is sassy with fun colors.
Yes.
Very sexy.
And you get the a full pink lace glitter gel. Oh, and this one's badass, man. A full black tie color gel. And your secret code. Wow, this kit's awesome.
They're both awesome. So
My kit's better than your kit.
I don't know. Well, you know what I think is really the cool thing, that it's such a fantastic deal that you can get both of them, and if you buy both kits, you get completely different items in each kit.
Yeah.
So that's a plus.
So
right
go
there.
big or go home and get both.
Yeah, exactly. I like that. Go big or go home. Anyway, go and order this, watch the tape. See, like I said, have Selena in your home. How many of us get to have Selena in our home?
Yeah.
But remember, the day you start watching that video, I didn't start tape.
Wow.
You have 30 days. So you're going to want to have that 30 days to really, go over and over it. You probably won't watch it 30 days. Well, you might.
Yeah.
You have that option.
If you want to really get the technique perfect, you might watch it once
over
a day.
and over and over. Exactly.
So yeah, this is a pre-order now, and
Yes.
it will ship out April 20th.
We start selling these April 20th. You can go to your distributor, your
Yep.
local distributor, whatever country you're in, they'll be available. Or you can go to our website and order them. Pre-orders are now April 20th. 2 great art kits from Celina Rydén.
Yes.
And Selena appears in your TV or computer
Yes.
at home.
That's great.
Isn't
rub,
it?
rub that kit and she'll pop
Oh,
out. Well, thank you guys.
It's been fun.
Bye.
So get your kits. Bye.